Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open up a Bank Dhofar Savings Account online. So even if you're starting on your computer and finishing up on your phone, it's a super simple process once you know how it flows. So first, head over to the official Bank Dhofar website on your computer. From the homepage, you can then check out their different savings account options. So things like regular savings account, the Al Hisson savings account, and even their high yield options. So it's a good idea to read through the features and pick the one that best fits your needs. Now here's where the process actually shifts. So to actually open the account, Bank Dhofar currently does it through their onboarding app. So if you're outside Oman and can't find the app in your app store, don't worry, you can still get a head start by gathering what you need. So that includes your ID if you're an Omani national, or your passport and resident card if you're an expat, plus your proof of address and a working phone number. So once you have the app downloaded, or if you can get access through a local app store, simply open it and tap open new account. From there, you simply have to choose the type of account you want. Then follow the steps to fill in your personal information, upload your documents, and complete verification. In some cases, you also go through a quick video KYC step right in the app. And after that, you then have to confirm your details and submit. You also get a notification once your account is approved, and Bank Dhofar may arrange delivery of your debit card depending on your location. And that's it. So it's really that simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.